Namaste, Sridhar Namburi, Tapovan. Today we are going to discuss about the possessions. Psychological possessions means the badhas of, may say, bhoot badhas and many different ghost attacks and the black magic effects. How we can understand, recognize the badhas or the attacks, possessions have in a person. Normally, it is very difficult because very few vibrational fields are attacking the people, which are we can understand when they come out. Very few, but normally it will not come out. It will create the diseases and problems and accidents and suicide, many things. I had a patient, a father and a daughter. So they came and discussed about their problem. But I couldn't understand who is the correct patient. They both are talking very consciously. But I tested with an insultation. I insulted both of the people, but the father taking very lightly, but the daughter's eyes sparked. In a span of second, I noticed that that girl has some possession. Then after the astrological guidelines of the old style and check that, then I noticed that this girl have the dissociative identity disorder in psychology. So there was a situation is not to hypnotize the person. Then I started the puja, the old style of the puja and the homas for that, the exorcism. Immediately the girl, the other personality came out and started, somebody killed me while I was pregnant. So I will kill these people. This father and mother. 2 times she tried to kill that father. That's why he brought here. So somebody sent the ghost to kill these people, saying like that. So I have the videos and everything. So then put lots of effort, it removed and became calm. Before and after, the girl don't know anything about this. The problem was she cannot study properly. That was the only one problem. Sometimes the headache will come. So it's very difficult to understand because it is in subconscious mind. Most of the case it will not come out. So we can understand how we can understand these destroying possessions. So some symptoms are there. We can check about that. Most of the people continuously their career graph will go down. They will be confused always. The possessed people always will be confused and everything. Somebody have the fear or sadness without reason always. The headache and they cannot concentrate properly anything. The unknown anger is coming, sadness is coming, mood swing, and the pain of the hands and sometimes the legs, it is coming from the down portion to higher level without reason. If it is checking in the medical system, nothing is there. Doctor will surprise you. No problem. The pain in the joint pain, no reason. So some kind of skin problems because the brain tissues are connected by the same tissues of our skin. It is more connected and related. Immediately it will affect in the skin. Some mental, emotional problems are there. Irritable bowel syndrome, the pain of the stomach and the shoulder without reason. hot and cold will change in body temperature. Somebody will eat more, somebody will eat very less, somebody will talk more, somebody will be silent. The outer we can show, we can understand the possessions are which are coming to outside easily, because they will talk loudly and without connection they will talk, no abstract reasoning, and they will use the bad words against the people, they will be violent, attack the people maybe. So these ways we can understand the external, they come to outside, the when badhas, possessions are coming outside, we can understand. But what I am saying, the inside badhas, it will create collapse the career and family life and everything. So it will be powerful to create accidents and suicide, many things. So why the girl and the father came for? Because when I started the puja, this come out and start to talk about somebody killed me while I was in pregnant. So talking like that. What I'm saying, then I thought that how many people are dying this way. So we cannot understand. It is not coming to outside. Normally we will think it is accident. So many cases are like that. We are not understanding about that. This is mentioned in the astrology, the Prashna Marga, the famous book in Kerala of astrology, the 15th chapter. Badhande Handagama Kadijani Kadijab Devada Bhaktahama. Means there are mainly three types of possessions. One is the Handagama, which are coming to kill the person. We can give the other some alternative solution in pujas. We can cut the head of the trees and banana trees, and then that way we can remove. We have to do special pujas for and remove that bada in that way. The second types of badhas are bhoktaha. We can give the belly and food and something like that. It will go in puja. Third is rendakama. It is coming to with use the body of that person. There we cannot remove that. Maybe we can say the connect with the schizophrenia of the third type of the badhas are schizophrenia in psychology. It is very difficult to remove. So somebody some types of badhas needs the puja and all the systems. Some types of badhas we can remove through the just counseling or cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, and some types of badhas we can remove through the hypnotherapy. So these are different levels we have to handle that. The basic level of badhas we can remove through the normal temple visit. We can maintain a strong deity through the systematic sadhana. Definitely these kind of negative energies may not affect. No need to contact with an expert to remove the possessions. We can remove ourselves, the small badhas. Some other case, especially the dissociative identity disorder may come in a particular time period. So sometimes we will confuse which is it schizophrenia or bipolar disorder or dissociation. But most of the case, the dissociation have a particular stimulation will be there maybe. Example, in one case came because evening 5 p.m. in the Saturday and Tuesday and Friday. So In that particular time, the 5 p.m., the 6 p.m., the temple bell will ring in that time. Then it will stimulate. So that is exactly that's a dissociation, not a schizophrenia or something. These symptoms and the causes are, I'm talking commonly, but actually there are different reasons are there as per the people. Each and every people are different. Their life, learning, everything is different. So we have to understand these symptoms and causes are not commonly applicable. It have the differences as per the people. So God bless everybody to be a healthy mental and physical life. Srimati.